Okay, so question number 12, they say that there are decks or deck chairs, right? And they say that we have a deck chair next to the ground, and they say the middle portion is parallel to the ground. So it means that this is parallel to the ground. Immediately when it's parallel, what do we know?
The angle, like the, see,
Is it the length is 0.3?
Which one?
The opposite side of the 0.3
Okay,
is
so
the
we
same.
KIV about the angle first. Next, they say that find the angle X where the leg rest of the deck chair is inclined to the horizontal. So you look at angle X. Angle X is the easiest. How do we find angle X?
using
Right.
yeah, I use the area of the triangle lah.
Oh, don't overthink. Very simple. Look at angle X.
Okay, I use the cosine rule.
Yeah, so we must use cosine rule to find angle X. Have you all done that?
Yes.
Okay. Private message me your answer. Okay, so I believe everybody has gotten the answer. So it means that X is 32.8 degrees. Okay. But we cannot obviously use 32.8 for the after answer. So actually, how do you derive 32.8? It's actually how much? What's X?
Inverse cosine
Yeah, what's the
37
answer? 32 point. 32 point how much?
32.763757776.
Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now let's look at the part 2. What did part 2 says?
The height of the middle portion of the deck.
Height of the middle portion of the deck of the chair above the ground, right? So it means that they want this particular height. Can you see the one in green? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend my parallel line. Can you see I extend my parallel line? I extend my parallel line. Do you notice something or not? What do you notice about the height of the middle portion?
Oh, it's the same as the pink color triangle.
Yeah, so the height of the middle portion is actually the height of the pink color triangle, right? So it means that you can go and find the area of the pink color triangle. Then you can use the half times the base, which is 0.55, times the height will give you the other area that you use, means using half AB sine C. And with that, do you think you can find your height already for part 2? All right, let's go. Okay, so if you look at question number 13, the next one is actually not that difficult. Okay, it looks very difficult, but if you look at the first few sentences, the first one, what did they say? The diagram shows a plot of land, right? So they're telling you that PQRS is actually your whole land, which is this person. P to Q to R to S is your whole piece of land. And then reserve for parachute, oh, whatever. I don't even need this for my math. It's not going to help me. Now, they say the shaded region is where they land. Okay, so I know that this is where they land. They land in this blue zone, which is what shape?
Rectangle.
Okay, so now they say that the parachutists must all land in this piece of land. So do you think, what can you first find already?
The area of the blue color.
Yeah, we can first find the area of the land. Very easy, right? So next step, what do you need to do?
Find the area of the whole thing.
Yes, area of the PQRS. Now, guys, because, right, we do not know how to do it, I told you guys, you must always cut it such that you can see two triangles. So right now, can you see that I'm having one pink triangle right here? This pink triangle can find or not? The area?
Yes.
Using what?
Sine rule. No, not sine rule. Area of triangle.
The half
AB sine C.
Right. Then next, do you think the purple one you can find?
Yes.
Then missing information.
The angle.
Okay, can we assume that this is 90? Can we say that?
No.
No, cannot assume. The question never say means you cannot. So you realize that, is there any way you can use half AB sine C for the purple one?
No.
Cannot, right? So how to do? So what missing information do I have?
The angle.
The angles.
Angle what?
Angle QRS.
Yes. So in order to find QRS, do you realize that I actually need to find QS first? The length of QS? So to find this angle means I need to first find length of QS. Now how to find length of QS? Using which triangle? Pink or purple?
Pink.
Yes, using pink triangle and which rule?
Cosine.
Yes, using pink triangle and cosine rule, I'll get length of QS. Once I length of QS, do you think I can find my angle QRS already? Then after that, do you think you can find your pink and the purple one and then add up together? But what's the question asking for? They're asking for the what?
Probability.
The probability.
Probability. Do you all still remember how to do probability from set 2?
Yeah.
How to find probability? What's the formula? Probability is
The total.
what?
Like the length, right, over the total area.
Yes, the length over the total. And do we have the length already? The area of the length?
Yes.
The length? Yes, we have, right? Which is here, right? And do we have the total? Yes, we also have, right? Which is from here. And with that, you should be able to do 13. That's it. Okay, so now let's go to the next one, which is question number 14. Okay, so for question number 14, you need to know how to draw. So they say that what shape is it?
Parallelogram.
Yeah, so you must draw a parallelogram. But this parallelogram like not so nice. We cannot really rotate. Okay, never mind. Looks like I got to draw freehand then. Okay, parallelogram. What's so special about parallelogram?
All sides are equal. I mean, like the
Parallel line.
Yes, 2 pairs of parallel lines. Then we'll label P, Q, R, S. Some student will ask me, Miss Lin, can I label like that? P, Q, R, S? Can, as long as it's in order like that. Also can. So you want to do the one in blue, also can. You want to do in red, also can. But if you do like that, P here, Q here, R here, S here, correct or wrong?
wrong.
Wrong, cannot anyhow label. If you want to go in clockwise, everybody go in clockwise. You want to go in anti-clockwise, everybody go in anti-clockwise. Okay? So we have P, Q, R, S here already. Now they say, what are the clues that they give me?
The PQ is 40 cm.
Okay, 40 cm here. And what else?
QR is 60 cm.
Okay, QR right here, 60 cm. Now, they say that one of the diagonals is 80, right or not? So, they say one of the diagonals, but will I know which diagonal or not?
No.
But it's okay, it doesn't matter because here is also 40 cm and here is
60
cm. So, if I don't know which is the diagonal, means here's the diagonal. Diagonal means from one corner to another corner. Understand? So if they say that this is 80 meters, oh wait, be careful, 80 meters, these are all in cm. So it's either you work everybody in meters or everybody in
cm.
So you want everybody in meters or everybody in cm? Which one do you all want? Cm. Okay, then we have to change. Typo error. Okay, I think maybe it's typo error because in a working they put, okay, I think this one meant to be cm, guys. I think there's a typo error, okay? So cm. Yeah. So if cm means they want to find another diagonal. Another diagonal means from one corner to the other. They want to find this person. Can you see the question mark? Right or not? So first thing first is because they give me the clue, means I'll focus on this yellow triangle that I'm going to highlight. I can find the angles already, right? So from here, once you find the angle, do you think you can start doing already?
Yes.
So once you find the angle, you can find the angle of this person. Person right here. You find the angle of this person right here. But are they equal? Can you say that if this is 20, means here is also 20?
Can what?
Cannot,
No, cannot.
cannot, because these and these are not isosceles triangle. They are not the same. So you cannot assume that both are 20. So this brown angle right here is not the same as this green angle right here. Okay, they are not the same. Okay, so with the angles you found, then after that, next you also can find this blue angle right here. Right? So once you find the angle, actually you don't even need to find the blue angle. You can just find the brown and the green. Now, why do I say, oh, can you see there's an alternate angle right here? The one that I'm going to highlight out in black. Can you see parallel with an alternate angle here? So I can say that this angle is also brown, right? Right or not? So with that, do you think you can find your angle PQR already? Once you find your angle PQR, do you think you can use cosine rule to find your question mark? Right? So the whole goal is number one, you need to go and find your angle PSQ. You need to find your angle PQS. And then after that, with that, these two will add up to give you angle PQR. And once you have PQR, you can find your question mark already using cosine. With that, you all can start doing question 14. All right, so the next question would be question number 15. Okay, so now what does this 15 says? What happened to this wealthy man?
Owns a plot of land ABCD.
Okay, he owns a plot of land ABCD. So now they are very nicely help you to cut already. So okay, thanks for cutting for me. And then what else?
You want to
He wants to divide it.
Okay, for his two sons. And he say find the length of the fence to be built along BD. Means they're asking you, find the length of BD. How to find? Use what rule?
cosine.
What do you call that? The cosine rule.
Yes, easy peasy. Now, part 2, what did they say?
Given that the pond has a radius of 80 meters,
What?
find the percent,
You missed
like
out the keyword. What's the keyword?
radius.
No, you missed out something. You just straight away jump to radius of 80.
Yeah, it's a minor sector of a circle.
Who? The what?
The pond.
So this right here is the pond. Yeah? So now, the first thing first is they say radius of 80. It means that here to here is 80. And here to here is 80. Correct or not? So do you all think you can find the area of the pond? Before you find the area of the pond, you must find who first?
The angle of DCB.
Yes, you need to find the angle DCB first, right? Angle DCB. So find for me, what is angle DCB? Oh, you cannot do DCB unless you have the purple line. Now, after you find DCB, do you think you can find the area of the pond?
Can. You can use 360 divided by that, and then you can find the section.
Meaning, there's a better way.
Right.
But I know you whatever you're doing is okay, but rephrase it. So how do you find the area of the pond? So if you want to find the area of the pond, you cannot just take pi r squared because it's a sector. So whatever Tuyen say just now is very good. You must take the angle what first?
Angle of BC
BCB
over
over the 360
yes, and then
times
times pi r square.
now with that you can able to get your point, right? Now what question did they ask for? They say find the percentage of the plot of land that is filled and covered. Means to find the percentage means you need two things. What do you need? What are the two things you need in order to find a percentage? In order to find a percentage, what do you need?
the total.
Okay, you need the total. What else? Yes, the land that is filled. Then what do you do now?
Times 100.
Huh? You take the land that is filled times 100.
Over the
Take
total.
the land that is filled over the total times 100.
Yes, times 100%. Finish, done. So that's how you do number 15. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's move on to 16. So 15 will be your homework. Now let's go on to 16. So 16, we have, I don't need to call this fancy name, Abigail, Belinda, Calissa, and Dion. Okay, I just call that as ABC, okay? No need so fancy. So now, what did they say about this ABCD? They say that A and C are what?
4.5 meters away from B and D.
Okay, which sounds very confusing. So I skip that first. And next, I have A and B are
3.8 meters away.
okay, and they say that it is a quadrilateral. Okay, means I do not know. I just anyhow draw first. Okay, I just draw one quadrilateral. I call it as A, B, C, D. All right. So they say that A and B are 3.8. Okay, let's start with this one first. A and C are 4.5 away from B and D. Means A and C are what?
4.5 meters away.
Away from who?
B and D.
Respectively. Means they're telling you, respectively means A and B are 4.5 away. C and D are 4.5 away. So A and B are, so A and B here, 4.5 meters away, right? And then C and D also 4.5 meters away. You understand the language now?
Yes.
The next is
That's not
A, what?
That's not I did this question, I don't understand the English.
So now they say that A and B are 3.8 away from D and C respectively. Respectively means A with D, B with C. So A and D, 3.8 meters away. B and C, 3.8 meters away. Understand now? So they say that Belinda is nearer to Dion than Abigail nearer to Callista. Means they're telling you that Belinda is nearer to Dawn. Means the length of the green one. Okay. Hey, wait. Belinda is nearer to Dion. Belinda is nearer to D than to B A. Okay, got it? So it means that Belinda is nearer to Dion than Abigail nearer to Callista. Means they're telling you that the green line is longer than the orange line. Understand or not?
Isn't it shorter?
Wait, isn't it shorter?
Because nearer, ma.
Shorter. Yes, shorter. So it means that this green must be shorter. Oh, then my diagram draw wrongly already. Because it needs to be shorter. Okay, shorter than the orange one. And they say that the area of this whole quadrilateral, means I'm going to color in yellow. This whole thing is 15.5. So they ask you to find the orange line because they say that find the distance between A and C, means find the orange line. So definitely when you do, you have two answers. Means the orange line means are you taking the bigger answer or the smaller answer?
The bigger answer.
Yeah, there you go. And that's how you solve this 16. Got it? Okay.